We're now going to take a real world problem and model it with math. So a couple things. When you're writing an expression to model a situation, story problem, you can pick the variable. So this is called defining a variable, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we're going to read the problem. In the FIFA World Cup, teams play in groups of 4 and then play each other. Teams get 3 points for a win, 1 point for a tie, and 0 points for a loss. Write an expression that represents the points for a team in group play. So first of all, I'm seeing 3 different things. A team, I don't know how many times the 4 teams play each other, but they get 3 points for every win. So it looks like I'm going to need a variable for win. So I'm just going to say let W be wins. And then 1 point for a tie. And then I'm going to say let T be ties. And 0 points for a loss. And I'm going to put let L, and I'm going to make that cursive so you can tell it's a variable, be losses. So if I got 3 points for every win, and let's say I got 5 wins, I'd go 3 times a 5. So I take 3 and multiply it by my wins. So I'm going to go 3W. And then if I get 1 point for every tie, I take the number of ties and multiply it by 1. So I'm going to put plus 1 times t. You could just put plus t. And then plus 0 points for a loss. So I'm going to put plus 0 and then times L. Oftentimes mathematicians will make this a little bit simpler. You don't have to put 1t. They might just write 3w plus t. And I'm going to make a cursive t so you can tell the difference between the plus and the t. And then the 0 times L, well, 0 times any number is 0. So this might be the most simplified expression, but this expression also is okay because it shows the understanding that you get 1 point for a tie and 0 points for a loss.